Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change drawing units without scaling the geometry using the easy method. This is a great way to swap your measurement rules on your current setup session so your text tags match your new system while your actual lines stay the exact same size. Step 1. Open your main unit's settings box. The first step is to type a basic setup word into your software bar to bring up the hidden configuration menu that handles your background numbers. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen, type the letters UN on your keyboard, and press the Enter key. Watch for a small options panel filled with length names, angle rules, and choice menus to pop up directly in the middle of your screen view. Because you cannot swap your measurement rules without telling the main software engine to change its reading guide, you have to open this quick preference box so you can tell the system how to label your drawing spaces. Without this step, your computer will keep counting every line using the old factory measurement style. Step 2. Change your measurement type and precision rows. Next, you need to use your mouse pointer to select your new measurement style from the drop-down lists inside the setup box. Click the small arrow under the word Type, select an option like Decimal from the list, click the arrow under Precision, and choose how many zeros you want to see after the dot. Scan down the choices to ensure your layout numbers are set to look clean and simple without too many long fractions trailing behind them. Because if your precision settings are set incorrectly, the numbers on your screen canvas can look incredibly messy and hard to read. By choosing a clean decimal setup, you tell the program to show your line values in a clear, straightforward way. It ensures you can read your layout dimensions easily without getting confused by long number lines. Step 3. Select your new scale block unit label. Now, you need to move down to the middle section of the Open Settings window to choose the exact measurement label you want to use for your project elements going forward. Locate the drop-down menu box labeled Units to Scale Inserted Content, click it open with your mouse, and highlight your new choice like millimeters or inches. Click the choice firmly to make sure the text updates inside the selector row to reflect your new desired measurement style. Because changing this single label tells the computer how to treat any new shapes or blocks you drop onto your sheet later. By changing this specific word entry, you update the background counting rules without touching the lines you already drew. It is the key step to getting the right output because it alters the reading rules of the workspace while keeping your current shapes untouched. And that's it. To change drawing units without scaling the geometry, you must first type UN and press Enter to open your Units window. Then you select Decimal under the type row to keep your numbers clean and simple. Next, you use the middle drop-down menu to change your insertion scale label to your new choice like inches or millimeters. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.